Because the last couple of baskets were fast break opportunities where his team did not go down on defense.
Artadi beginning to feel it. 15-point game. Perfect complement to what Yap has done so far.
And there comes a point wherein you actually have to go and extend out on that three-point line against him. He's already made a total of 4 3-pointers in this game, and it's about time to give that respect for today's game.
Yep, it's not something you just simply enjoy and relish. Jeremy Cruz, close range. And the former UST Tiger has 4. 61-46, 7:20 third quarter. The clock, of course, ticking away. Yap launches. Now he's missed his last 2 heaves. Saul Mercado pounding hard. Dipsy-doo! Just couldn't circle it in. But will go to the line after being fouled.
His third personal, second team foul for the B-Meg Llamados.
And with 7:04 to go, Mercado will visit the free throw line for the +1. Kanino foul, Roy?
Mark Fingers, I believe, picked up his third personal foul. And again, but it's been the Saul Mercado show. It's been the Soul Train all the way. That's points number, going for points number 22 and 23. He's picked up number 22. Then the next guy, Jeff Chan, who's only played 10 minutes in this game, has 5 points. The rest of the guys underneath 5 points. Under 5.
Mercado knocking in the 2 free throws. 7 minutes to go. 61-48. Yap looking inside. Reversed by Pingris. Brown trying to clean it up. Feeling ko kay Brown, ang soft ng kamay niya, hindi niya matanganan masyado yung bola, and he's so excited to put it back in. He loses control.
And Rainier Shine right now changed up their defense in that possession. 2-3 zone defense.
Pingris got Lewis jumping into the air. You know, si Pingris will score 6 points, 8 points, an occasional 10 points. Before you know it, he's hurting it.
Yes, and he hurts the opposing team, but he's the type of guy that never hurts his team.
Yes, of course. Kasi siya, hindi makuha yung 6 or 8 points, didepensa ako, re-rebound ako.
That's right.
Saka siya, gagamitin niya yung foul niya. Kung pwedeng 4, 5, kung may 7 ba, pwedeng 7.
And he will play hard.
Yes.
The last thing that a coach wants to see is a guy go into the court and not play hard. Because yun yung mga nakakahawa eh. Nakakahawa yung may intensity, nakakahawa rin yung walang intensity. Goes both ways.
Artadi. Half of the quarter is gone. Yap missing his last 3. $16 on the shot clock. Lead is 15. Reyes lost the grip. Daming choices. Dinala sa gitna eh.
Yeah, they just ran that fast break very well. You said it right there. Paul Artadi brings the ball in the middle, puts pressure on the defense, then they can move the ball around for that easy basket by Cliff Brown.
Get a chance to watch your favorite PBA players live. Just send in to Solar, just text in rather, Solar, space, PBA, space, mystery keyword, and you saw si Misterio kanina. And text, send it to 2600 for a chance to win tickets to the games.
Bilisan nyo, meron kayong 24 days para...
Itong director na ito, lalagyan niya ng litrato ng mga binibini para namang may makikinig sa akin habang isasalita ako. Kaya mo na yan, sinasabi ni Seb. Flopping yata.
And Rafi's going to be upset about this one. And that's because that's going to be the second call.
Technical.
And that's going to be a technical.
Taking a foul on a B-Meg Derby ace Llamados. Randy Vegas for the second flopping infraction.
But I want to see that because there was contact. And Rafi Rivas was trying to get a charge. He obviously did not get the brunt of that, as you can see right here. He steps out to try to get a charge. But in my opinion, that wasn't a flopping call right there. How can you flop when you got hit? There's every right to be upset about that call, talking about Rafi Rivas.
And you and I were talking about laws of physics earlier, and it really, kuminsan, hindi naman talaga yung size eh. Kuminsan yung momentum eh. It's a call that will be reviewed. That's the least I will say at the end of the year, at the end of this season. Such a...
Well, you've been working with me a lot, and you know that every time it's called, I'm always going.
Yeah,
it's a difficult call, and I don't envy the referees.
Yeah, it's interesting and at the same time intriguing because it's up for review, and there are some players who do this on purpose, and we all know there are those, and let's see how this rule is reviewed in the course of the tournament. In the meantime, that will roll in. But the one thing I like is that when it's the finals and the playoffs, wala na yung flopping. Wala na. Either you give them the foul or you don't. Or you take the foul or you don't.
Kasi wala na mga maninipis na mga foul na binibigay.
65 to 50 is the current count. 4 and 31 remaining. Here's Roger Yap. You know, the effectivity of Yap, Roger, James, and Artadi has kept some other guards on the bench for Derby Ace. KG's shot will not bite, and the rebound secured by Reyes. Garwood looks inside. Nice give and go, but there's a call that will, and Rivas can't take it anymore.
Now we're going to see this again. And look at the feet. Look at the feet of Rafi Rivas. Natapakan eh.
Mukhang mas dapa pa eh. Mukhang dapa pa nga. Brown nearly yanking the ball away. Norwood launches.
That's Gabe Norwood's attempt number 3 of the basketball game. And 0 out of 3, that's right.
And Mercado ends up with a personal his second.
So 7 this game, it seems that it's been a B-Meg game. They've been the better team all throughout the game. They've been the one that's dictating tempo. But when you look at the score, it's a 14-point lead. At best would be 15 after this free throw. It is one big run away from Rain or Shine to get back into this basketball game. Although Rain or Shine has been flat most of the game, only leaning on the heroics of Sol Mercado, they're not out of this.
Yes. B-Meg free throw there, brought to you by B-Meg Derby Ace Premium Formula. Dito ka na sa Llamados. And 65-51 is the current tab. Norwood to Reyes. And really, Raynor